Also tonight, searching for a motive in the deadly shooting at Jefferson University Hospital. Good evening. I'm Jessica Cartalia. Yuki is off tonight. There are new details about the man accused of killing his co-worker and how he was able to get his guns returned to him after they had initially been taken away. Kerri Corrado is live outside Jefferson Hospital with the latest. Kerri?
Jessica, good evening. We did check in with the James family. They say they are doing okay tonight. As for his widow, she is devastated and heartbroken and not ready to go on camera.
Philadelphia police now giving a detailed timeline of the tragedy that unfolded inside Jefferson University Hospital. On Monday at 12:11 in the morning, police say Stacey Hayes walked into the busy hospital wearing scrubs and shot his co-worker, 43-year-old nursing assistant Andre James. Police say an hour later at 1:11, James was pronounced dead. They say Hayes took off in a U-Haul truck. Not long after, at 1:29, police received multiple calls of gunshots in the area of Parkside Avenue. They found Hayes in the back of a schoolyard wearing body armor and discharging an AR-15 rifle. They say they ordered Hayes to drop the gun, and he ignored their commands. Hayes was shot in his right and left collarbone area and was taken to Penn Presbyterian Medical Center and is expected to survive. 2 officers were shot in the shootout. One suffered a graze wound to his nose, the other shot in the arm. Both are expected to be okay.
It's a tragedy what happened at Jefferson.
Court documents reveal more about Hayes' history and his weapons, including an AR-15 that was confiscated this year. Documents show Hayes was able to convince a Philadelphia judge to return his weapons, writing, "I am not a threat to anyone. I just want to be able to protect myself and my family if needed." We tried to reach out to Hayes' family members today, but no one answered. As the investigation continues, the James's family is devastated. The family created a GoFundMe page. On that page, it talked about Andre being his children's and wife's hero. It says he worked 2 jobs and was very involved in his children's lives. His wife telling Eyewitness News she is devastated knowing her kids will grow up without their father.
And Hayes is facing murder along with other charges. A motive has not been released at this time. We're live in Center City tonight. Kerri Corrado, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Kerri, thank you.